In focus, where bank has reversed the steep minimum average balance hike after the feedback, and minimum balance requirement for urban and metro area is at rupees 15,000, which is down from rupees 50,000, and for semi-urban areas ICICI Bank has minimum balance in saving account has been revised to 7,500, and for rural areas the minimum monthly balance of ICICI Bank is 2,500. So back of this, ICICI Bank is in focus. Apart from this, ABFRL can be focused on the back of the quarterly earning, where companies revenue saw an uptick of 9.5% year-on-year basis at 1831 crore, and the company's loss has increased from 161 crore to 212 crore because of the higher depreciation. And if we talk about EBITDA, then company's EBITDA saw an uptick of approx 25% year-on-year basis. So back of the mixed set of number in Q1, ABFRL can be in focus. And lastly, United Spirit can be in the focus on the back of their quarterly earning, where the company's overall volume grew by 9.4% year-on-year basis, which is above the street estimate, and net revenue saw an uptick of approx 10% year-on-year basis at 3,021 crore. And if we talk about EBITDA, company's EBITDA saw a downtick of more than 9.5% year-on-year basis, and margin also saw a downtick of more than 450 basis point year-on-year basis. So back of the mixed Q1 number, United Spirit can be in focus.